Hello, my name is Eden, and today we will be installing a graphics card into your PC. We have the components we're going to be working with. We have the graphics card, fans, and a screwdriver. So first we're going to work with the graphics card. This bottom portion is where it slides into the motherboard. You also want to make sure you remove two brackets from your case for the exposure of the slots in the back. Alright, we want to install it into the top PCIe slot in the motherboard. You want to push it down until you hear a click. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm making sure that the power cables are plugged into the graphics card. Just give me one moment. You want to make sure that they click into place. That's how you know the cables have been plugged in correctly. Perfect. And from there, you want to make sure you screw on the back brackets of the graphics card so that it is held in place by your PC case as well. Now that we have the graphics card installed, we're gonna install the actual fans. I personally have a intake airway for my PC. So in the front, it's gonna be intaking cold air to cool the radiator. So I want to make sure that the fans and the logo are facing inside into my PC. And what I'm doing right now is I'm lining up the threads, so I'm not screwing the radiator all the way in. I'm just making sure each screw is correctly aligned to the hole and is mounting into the thread hole. And that is how you install a all-in-one cooler with the fans and your GPU.